Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor when I was there. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I want to tell you what happens when you get all these letters from IRS, what they all mean. You start getting in the CP, the collection billing notices system. The first letter that comes out is usually an LT14. IRS works on cycles, so 6 weeks later, you get a CP 501, 6 weeks later, a 503, 6 weeks later, a 504, and then the LT11 comes where you can file a collection due process. What will IRS sees when it says it's a notice of intent to levy? What is IRS in fact going to levy, and what do you need to do with that? IRS is serious about these levies. A matter of fact, there's not a person at IRS looking over your case. Your case is in the computer system, and the computer actually generates a levy, not a person. A person does not work your case till you pick up the phone and you say, IRS, I want to resolve my case. So yes, IRS is going to keep the cycle going. So if you don't answer the letters, IRS will file a federal tax lien. IRS will go ahead and garnish your wages. They'll get your bank account, and they may take your passport. They'll notify the State Department. You must, at some point in time, somebody has to call IRS to stop IRS. It's that simple. Most people don't know what they do. They're like an ostrich. They put their head in the sand. I don't know why an ostrich would do that. If something was rolling at me, I'd certainly run my ass the other way. But anyway, I'm just telling you, you must go ahead and answer the bell. You must call IRS to stop enforcement. And here's the problem. Don't just call them without an exit strategy. You've got to know what IRS is going to do when they pick up the phone. They're going to want a financial statement. Now you've given them all your assets, where your stuff is, your bank account information. You must have a plan on how to close your case. So IRS is taking a financial statement. They're going to put you in an uncollectible payment agreement or offer and compromise. But you've got to be eligible with your financial statement. Learn about how to close your case. If you need me, here I am. I work thousands of IRS cases. Just know what IRS is going to do, because you can stop IRS enforcement by simply picking up the phone. But you better know what the hell they're going to do when you pick up the phone, because if not, you may have a payment agreement, a federal tax lien, and your passport may be gone. So be really careful. I'll just tell you the truth. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription. I appreciate you.